Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve some important problems of exercise point 11.1 and some problems from 11.2. The first problem is 11.1, question number 3. In question number 3, you can see in your book that such type of picture is given. So it is a rectangle and consists of two semicircles. So you have to find the area and perimeter of this picture. So in this picture, here given the complete length from this to this is 20 meter and the width is 7 meter. So it is a semicircle, means it is the diameter of the circle, and suppose from this point to this is radius and this point is the radius. So only if you find out the length of the rectangle, then you have to minus here. It is 7 meter. It is 7 meter, means here also it is 7 meter. Okay, so it is the half of the 7 meter. So diameter, radius is half of the 7 meter. So you have to minus here half of the 7 meter, here half of the 7 meter from 20 meter. Then you will get the length of this much. That is the which will be called the length of the rectangle only. So first radius. So suppose radius of the circle, that is half of the diameter, which is that is half into diameter 7 meter, which is 2 into 3.5 meter. So here it is 3.5, here it is also 3.5. So for this distance we have to minus. Okay, so length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle is 20 meter minus 3.5 meter plus 3.5 meter. Okay, then equal to 20 meter minus 7 meter, that is 13 meter. So this is only 13 meter. So now we will find the area and perimeter of this figure. So first suppose perimeter. Perimeter means this is a half circle, this is a half circle. That means half circle makes one complete circle. The perimeter of the circle, that means 2 pi r, or you can say pi d. Pi is 22 by 7 into d is your 7 meter. This is diameter, d is your 7 meter. 7 meter, 7 meter, it is 22 meter. It is a perimeter. Perimeter of circle means this much and this much. Then you have to add this side of the rectangle, because this side is width is inside the picture, so no need to add in the to find out the perimeter of the picture. So perimeter of the given picture. It is a garden is given in your book. So picture is 22 meter plus 13 meter plus 13 meter. So it is 13 meter, this 13 meter. So total is 48 meter. Okay, this is one answer. Second is area, means you have to find out the area of the circle. Circle means two half circle makes one complete circle. So circle area is, you know, pi r square. So area of the circle, area of the circle is pi r square. 22 by 7, r equal to 3.5 into 3.5. So here half circle means, but there is two circles. There are two half circles or semicircles. So two semicircles make one complete circle. So I just find the area of the circle. So 7 5 is 7.5, and after multiplying you will get answer 38.50 meter square. Then area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle, this rectangle, then length into breadth, that is 20 into 7. 20 into 7, that is 13 into 7, 13 meter into 7, that is 91 meter square. Okay, so 91 meter square. So total equal to, you add here 91.00 meter square, that is 50 meter square, 129.550 meter square. Okay, this is second answer. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is that a flooring tile has this shape. You can look at your book. The flooring tile has the shape of parallelogram. So which tile is used for flooring? It is shape of parallelogram. Then whose base is 24 cm and the corresponding height is 10 cm. So a flooring tile is in shape of parallelogram, which base is how much? 24 cm and height is, it's a 10 cm. Simple problem it is. Okay, then area is given, area of the floor given, that is 1080 meter square. So question is that how many tiles needed for flooring. So first find the area of the tile whose base given, base into height, you know, area of the parallelogram, the base equal to how much? 24 cm, height equal to 10 cm. So you get 240 cm square. Okay, area of the floor equal to 1080 meter square. So if you divide the area of the floor with area of the tile, you get number of tiles used for the flooring. But one thing is there, here is centimeter square, here meter square. How you will divide? So for that, the meter square, you have to convert the meter square into centimeter square. So how you can divide, convert the 1080, simply meter means, you know, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So in place of meter, you write there 100 centimeter. So multiply 100 centimeter square. Meter square means in place of meter you had written 100 centimeter square. 1080 into 100 cm square means 10,000 cm square. So answer will be 1 crore 8 lakh. 1 crore 8 lakh. So now you divide this area cm square with the area of the tile. So therefore number of tiles needed for flooring equal to 1080 5 zeros are there by 240. Here cm square. Okay, by cutting you get 45,000 tiles. So you need 44,000 of tiles. This is your answer. Now 11.2, question number 2. So question number 2, is the area of a trapezium is 34 cm square and the length of one of the parallel sides is 10 cm and the height is 4 cm. So find the length of the other side. Suppose this is a length, it is a trapezium. So it is trapezium, is in this trapezium that is given that this is two parallel sides of the trapezium and this is the height. Okay, these two parallel side and this is height, and height is given, it is 4 cm and one parallel side is given 10 cm. Okay, and asking other parallel side, what is the distance of other parallel side. So what is the area of the trapezium? So area of the trapezium given in your question, area of the trapezium equal to 34 cm square. Okay, so formula what? Area equal to half height A plus B. A plus B means where? Suppose if you take A, it is B. Two parallel sides. A, B means two parallel side of a trapezium. So area is given. So area is your 34 cm square equal to half into height is 4 and A plus B. A is 10 cm. B you have to find out. Just simply write there B. Okay. So half 2 under 2 2 ja, then 34 cm square by 2, it will come this side, left side, equal to 10 cm plus B. 2 under 2 7 ja 14, that is 17 cm square equal to 2 cm. 17 cm equal to 10 cm plus B, that is 17 cm minus 10 cm equal to B. This will come this side, then 7 cm equal to B, which is another side. It is B equal to 7 cm. This is answer. Okay. So another side of the parallelogram. Now question number 3. Length of a fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD. So a trapezium shaped field named A, B, C, D. A field which is trapezium shaped, then side is A, B, C, D. Fencing means its perimeter given. Fencing means all side fence, we do fence to that is boundary, that means it is the perimeter of the trapezium given. So fencing ABCD is the 120 meter. So fence given, fence of the trapezium shaped field equal to given, that is 120 meter, and given BC equal to 48 meter. So BC equal to 48 meter. Then CD equal to 17 cm. CD equal to given 17 meter. That is, it is 17 meter. Then AD also given 40 meter. 40 meter. AD equal to 40 meter. Okay. Then you have to find AB. So perimeter you know, AB plus BC plus CD plus AD equal to 120 meter. So fencing means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA or DA equal to 120 meter. So only AB you don't know. You don't know the length of distance of AD or the height. Okay, other sides you know, just put it. So AB you don't know, and BC 48 meter plus CD 17 meter plus DA 40 meter equal to 120 meter. So add these three. AB plus 48 meter, it is total 105 meter equal to 120 meter. Then AB equal to 120 meter minus 105 meter, that is 15 meter. So it is 15 meter you dot. Now area of the trapezium, again put formula. Area of the trapezium, you know, half into height into a plus b. So half height is your 15, a plus b 48 plus 40, that is half into 15 into 88. By adding this, the 2 4 44 multiply 15 equal to 660 meter square. This is answer. Okay, 660 meter square. Now question number 8. 8 is given like this, a picture is given. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Each side is the river. River side, it is river side, it is road side. Okay. So its side along the river is parallel and twice of the along the road. Suppose a road, this is how much, is double or twice. Okay. Then if the area of the field is 10,500 meter square and the perpendicular distance between the parallel side, perpendicular distance, this is 100 meter, then find the length of the side along the river. Okay. So let this side, area of the parallelogram, area of the field or parallelogram equal to 10,500 meter square. It is given 10,500 meter square. Let two parallel sides. So one, if x, another is twice means 2x. Suppose it is x, it is 2x because it is given twice. Okay. Then height given, that is 100 meter. तो area what formula, half into h into a plus b equal to you are given, that is 10,500 meter square. So half into h equal to 100 meter, a equal to x, b equal to 2x. Okay, a equal to x, b equal to 2x, equal to 10,500 meter square. So here 3x, x plus 2x, how much? 3x. So here cut 50 meter. So 3x equal to 10,500 meter square by 50 meter. 0, 0, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja 210. 210 meter, then x equal to 210 meter by 3, that is 70 meter. Okay, 70 meter. If it is 70 meter, then it is 2x equal to 70 into 2, that is 140 meter. So your answer is 140 because it asked the length of this side along the river side. So river side is 2x, it is 2 into x, 140 meter. So if you understood this problem, then other problems same as the what I solved. I hope you could solve other problems. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.